Many people dream of earning online, inspired by stories of success and freedom. The idea of working from anywhere, being your own boss, and skipping the daily commute is incredibly appealing. The internet connects billions, making the potential customer base massive. People crave more control over their time and finances, unlike the limits of a regular 9-to-5 job. Online earning promises independence and the chance to build something bigger than a fixed salary. But here's the truth. Most who try, fail. It's not as easy as it looks. Online gurus often show only the glamorous side. Fancy cars, big houses, creating a false picture. They rarely reveal the hard work or failures behind the scenes. Many jump in without understanding the challenges. The dream is real, but so are the obstacles. Success online takes more than just desire. It requires preparation, patience, and a clear plan. Without these, most people never make it past the first step. Unrealistic expectations are the biggest trap. Many believe they'll get rich overnight, lured by ads promising easy money. But real income takes time, effort, and patience. Chasing quick riches almost always leads to disappointment. Lack of patience is another killer. People quit when results don't come fast. Success often comes just after most give up. Scams are everywhere, promising secrets for a fee. Many lose money and motivation to these traps. Always research before investing time or money. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Jumping in without a plan is another common mistake. People don't define their niche, audience, or monetization strategy. Without direction, most efforts miss the mark. A clear, realistic strategy is essential. Avoid shortcuts. Focus on building something real. Blogging, dropshipping, freelancing, and YouTube are popular, but most fail to profit. Bloggers often pick niches that are too broad or competitive and neglect SEO. Writing alone isn't enough, you need to attract and monetize an audience. Dropshipping sounds easy, but choosing the wrong products or suppliers leads to losses. Marketing costs eat into profits, and thin margins make it tough. Freelancers face fierce competition and often underprice their work. Building a strong portfolio and reputation takes time and consistent quality. YouTube looks lucrative, but making good videos consistently is hard. Success requires content ideas, editing skills, and patience. Many quit before their channel gains traction. Across all these methods, the pattern is clear. Most people underestimate the effort and overestimate the speed of results. They give up too soon or never learn the skills needed. Real success demands dedication and adaptability. There are no shortcuts, just smart, sustained effort. Achievers have realistic expectations and treat online earning like building a real business. They know it takes hard work, time, and dedication. No magic, no shortcuts. Consistency is their secret. They show up every day, even when progress is slow. Regular effort builds momentum and trust with their audience. They keep learning, adapting to new platforms, trends, and algorithms. Investing in new skills keeps them ahead of the curve. They're not afraid to experiment or change direction. Providing real value is their focus, solving problems or entertaining their audience. This builds loyalty and a sustainable presence. Quick cash grabs rarely last. Meaningful work does. Achievers learn from failures and keep improving. They don't get stuck in outdated methods. Their mindset is long-term, not just chasing trends. They build trust, not just traffic. That's what sets them apart from the rest. Start small, pick one method like blogging, freelancing, or YouTube and focus on mastering it. Don't spread yourself too thin. Focus is key. Set realistic goals and understand results take time. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Patience is essential, don't expect instant income. Invest in learning, use free resources and consider quality courses. Treat every failure as a lesson, not a setback. Persistence is your greatest asset. There will be challenges and setbacks, but don't quit. Keep learning, improving, and adapting. The online world rewards those who work smart and stay the course. Believe in yourself and your journey. Build skills, not just dreams. With dedication, your online earning dream can become reality. Keep pushing forward. Success is possible for those who don't give up.